Hi, welcome to today's session by RouteFabric.com. And in today's session, we're going to talk about how to get started programming in Python. So Python is a very broad and simple language to learn how to use. It's not as difficult as other languages like C++. To get started using it, you need either an interpreter or a compiler, and you need Python installed on your computer. So if you want to install Python on your computer, you have to go to python.org. So you click it and you can download it for Windows, Macs, Linux, anything. Python's a very flexible language. So if you want to start coding in Python, you need, again, an interpreter or compiler. I would recommend using an interpreter because the way an interpreter works is it will execute all the working code until it hits its first error. And then it'll display an error message. Whereas if you use a compiler for Python, your entire program would need to be working with no errors before you're able to bug test, unless you know how to use the debugger really well. So yeah, using an interpreter makes it a lot easier to find errors and also test code you already have. So let's just say I had a few statements, print hello world, print my name is Jerry, and then let's say we did this, x equal to 5. We run, we see our messages, and then we get an error on line 5, and then that's when it throws the error. So we can still see if this code is working and how it works until we hit the error, and then that helps with finding bugs. So we know there's a bug on line 5 because these 2 lines executed. Yeah, but I like using replit a lot because it's simple and easy to use. To get to it, you just type replit or repl.it. It brings you onto a website. You can sign up with an account. It only takes a couple minutes. Then it's gonna make me relog in. So anyway, it'll bring you to this, and then you'll have a sidebar that helps you navigate through the website. And then if you want to create a new REPL, you click on the new REPL button, and then you can create anything in a bunch of different languages: Python, C++, C. So if you wanted to create a new Python project, you click on Python. And it'll give you a name for the project up here, which you can change by clicking on the edit. So you can give it a different name, and you can give it a description for the project. And then over here on the left, you'll have all your files organized. So right now there's only one main file, and you can add files up here or add a folder to organize your files. And if you want to work with text files or something like that and import them, you can just copy the file and put it over here on the side. So yeah, that's how you can get started coding in Python. You can also run Python through the command window as long as it's installed on your computer, and then you would run Python exactly like you would in an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. So I hope this was informative. If you want to get started in coding in Python and you want to check out more about it, you can check out our courses at RouteFabric.com. And I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.